Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter refraction of light at curved surfaces. Now today discuss about topics. Explain about activity 1. Let's start the class. Explain about activity 1. Question number 1. Write an activity to observe the light refraction at a curved surface. Okay, this activity only observe the light refraction at a curved surface. Okay, this is question. Okay, next one answer. Draw an arrow of length 4 centimeter using a black marker pen. Okay, any one, black marker pen or blue marker pen. I am taken blue marker pen and the thick sheet of paper. Okay, this is a white paper. After that, draw an arrow of length 4 centimeter using blue marker pen. Okay, arrow mark. How much measure? 4 centimeter length. 4 centimeter length. Okay, this is arrow. Maximum length how much? 4 centimeters. Okay, draw an arrow of length 4 centimeter using blue marker pen and thick sheet of paper. Okay, next after that, take an empty cylindrical shaped transparent vessel. Take an empty cylindrical shaped transparent vessel. Okay, this is a transparent vessel or beaker. Okay, next one, keep it on table. Okay, next one, this cylindrical, keep it in the table. It on the table. Okay, next one, ask your friend, anyone. Ask your friend to bring the sheet of the paper and which arrow was drawn beyond the vessel. Will you look at the from the other side? Okay, see this arrow was drawn beyond the vessel. Look at the from the other side. Okay, see other side. Okay, now the arrow of the image you will see of diminished image of the arrow. Okay, diminished means small size or reduce. Okay, after that, this cylindrical shaped transparent vessel with water. Okay, with water. Next after that, transparent vessel with water. Next one, ask your friend. Look at the arrow. From the same position as before. You can observe this arrow an inverted image. This arrow is inverted image. Inverted image. Okay, this side is there. Okay, see this side arrow mark. Okay, this is inverted. This is inverted. Okay, explanation. First one. At the first time, light travels through two mediums. Okay, first medium, rarer medium. Second one, denser medium. First medium what? Rarer medium. Second one what? Denser medium. Rarer medium, denser medium. Okay, that is glass and air and comes out of the vessel, so it from diminished image. The arrow diminished image. Diminished means already told. Okay, reduce or small size. Okay, this is first explanation. And second explanation at the second time, light enters the curved surface, moves through water, comes out of the glass, so it forms an inverted image. This arrow inverted image. This is second explanation. Okay, this activity 1 completed. Practically, this activity prove this one. Okay, first one, draw an arrow of length 4 cm using blue marker pen and thick sheet of paper. Okay, this is thick sheet of paper, blue marker pen using this arrow 4 cm. Okay, draw 4 cm arrow. Okay, see, observe this one. After that, take a plastic glass. Okay, take a plastic glass. After that, I am bring the sheet. Bring a sheet of paper and which arrow was drawn behind the plastic glass. Will you look at the from the other side? Okay, other side, beyond the plastic glass, you will see this image of the arrow diminished. Diminished means small size or reduce. See, observe. Okay, this is a big size. Okay, after that, beyond the plastic glass, small size. Okay, next one, this plastic glass. With water. Observe carefully. Look at the arrow from the same position of the before. Same position. Okay, plastic glass beyond the arrow mark. Okay, see, observe. Look at the arrow Look at the arrow. This arrow inverted image. Inverted image. Okay, opposite direction. See, observe this plastic glass. Okay, this direction is the opposite direction. Okay, this direction means inverted image. You can observe an inverted image. Inverted image. Okay, explanation. At the first time, light travels two mediums. Two mediums. Two mediums. Okay, how many mediums is there? Two mediums. First one rarer medium, second one denser medium. Okay, air and comes out the plastic glass. First one diminished image. Diminished image. After that, second time light enters the curved surface, moves through water. With water. With the water comes out of the glass, this plastic glass, the form inverted image. Inverted image. Okay. This is practically through this activity. Okay, you can start this activity very easy. Very easy. Okay. Inverted image, yeah. Okay, opposite direction. Okay. This activity practically through this activity. Completed this activity.